In light of the announcement of AmaZulu King, Mrs. Zulu Kazwelentini, that he's calling off his wedding to his fiancée, Nomzamo Mnyeni, and cancelling her privileges, we look at what may be behind this. We take a deeper look into the intersection of traditional marriage and South African law. Let's discuss this further. I'm now joined by family law expert, Advocate Muhammad Abduroaf. Advocate, good morning. Welcome to eNCA. I want to take this conversation a bit broader, Advocate, because many people are having questions about when exactly a traditional marriage becomes legal in South Africa. Is it after you've paid lobola, as is in the case of the king here, or what exactly needs to take place, Advocate?
So, good morning. Thank you for having me today. The question would basically be, firstly, what does the tradition itself constitute the conclusion of a marriage? So for argument's sake, you might have a tradition of a custom where they say that at the payment of lobolo, you are considered married. So that would be that specific custom or that specific tradition based upon that specific group of individuals. But generally, it will not apply after the payment of lobolo because there still has to be a marriage ceremony. And I'll find it very difficult to argue that the parties only pay lobolo. They had an agreement. Lobolo would be X amount of money. The husband paid the lobolo over to the lady side or the one party to another party, and that the marriage has been concluded without an actual traditional marriage ceremony having taken place. Or, for example, the giving over of the bride to the husband's side. But however, if that specific culture, as I mentioned earlier on, or tradition is that at the payment of the bolo, the marriage has taken place, then that would be the specific case. So my answer would be, it depends upon the customs of the specific people at the relevant time.
Let me ask you this then, because one of my colleagues asked it the other day. If I've paid lobola for somebody, there was no ceremony, we didn't have a celebration, there was no handing over by her family, do I then, when I separate from this person, have to go and apply for separation or for a divorce? Help us understand.